Welcome, everybody. I'm Jack Danger from the Secret America podcast. For years, people bitten by the Lone Star tick have lived through a nightmare. One burger, one steak, one glass of milk, and hours later, hives, violent stomach pain, difficulty breathing, even full-blown anaphylaxis, which is an allergic reaction so severe that your entire body starts shutting down. Millions of Americans now know this condition as alpha-gal syndrome, the bizarre meat allergy linked to tick bites that seems to be spreading across the country. But now, a recently discovered study is turning heads, and you'll never guess where I found it. This treatment was on a government website that everyone has access to, the NIH website, the same government organization that was run by Anthony Fauci at the time this cure was discovered. This case series was published in 2021. That means the government has known about it for at least 5 years. How many people had to suffer with this for 5 more years because the government quietly published it but told no one? How many lives were destroyed that could have been saved? How many people died that could have lived? There seems to be no line that Anthony Fauci will not cross. The cure itself is quite ingenious, very cheap to buy, and has no adverse side effects. Researchers reported that it's a specialized form of ear acupuncture called SAAT, Solomon Auricular Allergy Treatment, and it produced symptom remission in an astonishing 96% of patients studied. Listen to that again, 96%. According to the case series, 121 out of 126 patients who completed follow-up reported remission of symptoms. Even more shocking, over 93% of patients who previously suffered anaphylaxis reportedly experienced no further symptoms after treatment. The procedure doesn't involve any drugs, it doesn't involve injections of alpha-gal, it doesn't even involve years of expensive medications. It involves a specific reactive point on the part of the ear called the Solomon Allergy Zone, placing a tiny acupuncture needle into the reactive point and leaving it in place for a few weeks. If these results hold up under larger controlled trials, this could be one of the most significant breakthroughs ever reported for alpha-gal syndrome. And here's the question nobody seems to be asking. Why is a condition that exploded across America after the rapid spread of Lone Star ticks receiving so little national attention? Well, it might have something to do with the fact that anyone with the red meat allergy from alpha-gal syndrome is not allergic to Bill Gates' lab-grown meat. Millions are being told to avoid red meat indefinitely, yet a treatment reporting a 96% remission rate isn't leading every major health headline? The biggest medical story isn't always the one on the evening news. Sometimes it's the one hidden on a secure government website, while the people who need it most will never even know about it.